Hi guys, welcome to the Chef Rugved's kitchen. Today I am going to make my favorite dish, plain cheese omelette. So let's start. So first the ingredients: turmeric powder, 3 eggs, 2 cheese cubes and some butter. So let's start. First, we will take half spoon of turmeric powder. Then 3 eggs, I have taken 3 eggs in the bowl. If you want to add some salt, spices, onions, tomatoes, you can, but I am not putting in it because I am making plain cheese omelette. So now we will stir it. The batter is ready. Now next we will take cheese and grate it. You can see that the cheese is falling. Now we have grated all cheese. Now our batter is ready. Now we are ready to make omelette. So now we will take the pan and put it on the gas. Then we will switch on the gas and then you will heat it. Now the pan is heated and now we will put half tablespoon butter in it. Now we will take the omelette batter and put it in the pan. Now the omelette is ready. We don't have to turn because the omelette will stick. So we will directly serve it in the plate. See the color which is golden brown.